Hello, my YouTuber audience. This is your cameraman, Dana Drupsky again, and now the truck with the rocks are actually gone. There's like the orange bulldozer. It's still just doing it. And today's date is January 4th, 2022. The last video I did was like aftermath that I did like early this morning from the construction. Right now it's almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon. They're still working on that, like the construction bazaar right now over across the street. Now I can't go over there till they leave. And when I was walking down last night, when I showed you when I made like a very dark video, it was so muddy and such. Boy, I couldn't see my camera through. I couldn't see anything through this camera. It was all completely pitch dark. I don't know when they're gonna have to open up that the garage with the gold carts or whatever. It might take years to build it. They've been doing it since 2 days already, since January 2nd, recently. This has been a pretty warm week. Normally we don't get warm weathers in January. But we might get like upper 30s, low 40s, and mid-upper 40s. If it goes crazy, we'll be going towards the low 50s in February. I'll give you like a little bit close-up of what they're doing. They digging just like digging for dinosaur bones. There used to be a house over there a long time ago until it was torn down. Around 2012, I was not even there. I checked it in my one of my updates of the Google images, like the Google traveling maps. Yeah. Well, I guess that wraps it up for this first part of this video for January 4th, 2023. I'll see you a little bit later for more videos of this construction site. Try to comment, subscribe, or ring the bell with these other videos that I made over at the construction. Goodbye, folks, and I'll see you later. Enjoy.